Yo, what's going on, everybody? You got Scott Rayleigh here today, and I can't wait to share with you about a few companies in the electric vehicle stock market. Not only have you guys been watching Tesla grow like with incredible numbers, earlier last year they were down to like 400, they went to 800, and now they're up at 1200 again, over 1,000. That is Tesla, electric vehicle cars, guys. Incredible results happening right now in the stock market with Tesla. Now that is connecting also to other companies, right, in the stock market that also do electric vehicles. So there's a few of them that I want to talk to you here today about that are really exciting, guys. So I want you guys to put them on your watch list. So if you know Tesla, you know the power when it comes to the EV market. You know that Biden just signed $1 trillion infrastructure deal that deals with energy and solar and charging stations and all kinds of money going into the solar market, guys. So who's that going to affect? It's going to affect the Teslas and the EV market and all the battery charging stations that are going to be needed when it comes to all of these electric cars. So there's a few companies, guys, that are really cool that are already delivering cars that are, people are driving them and they are amazing electric cars. So there's a few of them, guys, and I want to talk to you today about just the electric vehicle market and what to look out for when it comes to Lucid. Okay, the first company that I want to share with you guys that has a ton of potential is called Lucid, and they are right now about $35, whatnot. Let me go ahead and share my screen, guys. You guys can take a look at what I am bringing to you guys here today. So we got a few companies. So let me go ahead and pull up Lucid, LCID, Lucid Group. And what I like about them, guys, is I've been following them now since about $28, and they're already up over $43 right now. So they have constantly had incredible volume, and we're going into Christmas, and this time of year, what are the advertisements like on the television? A ton of car commercials. Tesla's getting a lot of engagement right now, and this company Lucid is actually delivering cars, guys. So I want you to take a look, follow them, take a look at what's going on. Look at the performance here on the side here of my screen. Look at the performance, guys. The 5-day, the 1 month, the 3 month, incredible numbers, guys. It's definitely a buy on this stock here at Lucid Group. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some other websites here and look at Lucid and see how what they're calling it. So we got a buy rating here on Stock Invest. Okay, guys, we got a buy rating on Stock Invest here. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Stock Invest is great to look at where the support levels are and where the resistance levels are. I like to look at Stock Invest, and they also give you a buy rating when it's really hot. So let me go ahead and make sure you guys see the support levels and then the resistance levels. So we got a support here at $37 for Lucid and a resistance about 44. So guys, the idea is to load up at $36, load up at $35, load up at $37 to sell upwards of $50 or to sell upwards of $55 with this stock right here, Lucid. So we got a great support, and they're already delivering cars. So there's a big difference when it comes to electric vehicle companies on the stock market. A lot of them, they just have ideas and plans to build a car, but they don't actually have any customers. They're not delivering cars, they're not making cars. They just have an idea. And what's cool about Lucid is they're delivering cars. And that to me is really important. Now, there was a stock that took the market on Friday like crazy, where everybody was looking at this stock, and it's called GGPI. So I'll go ahead and pull that stock up here in a second, but I just want to show you that the technicals are very good right here on Lucid. It's got a buy rating pretty much everywhere I look, and I wouldn't load up anywhere, over $40, guys. Try to get in under 40 when it comes to Lucid. Set your alerts, set your price targets. Let's go ahead and talk about another company called GGPI. Now, GGPI, guys, is what took the market by storm just the other day. So GGPI, it was on Friday. It went up over, if you go ahead and see my screen here, it started in the morning at about $11, 11.2. Now, what's cool about this is $11 is a great support level, guys, a great support for this stock. And right now, it doesn't really have a resistance. So it's upwards at $14, $15 right here, but it doesn't have like a resistance line. So this could run to 16, this could run to 15, but definitely put this on your watch list, guys, because it's part of the electric vehicle market. They have cars, people driving their cars in Europe, and they are attacking like the Tesla market, like the Tesla Model S. So they have a great car in the Europe market, and they have a lot of great plans. And I will tell you more about the company itself, guys. They're a really unique company. And I just wanted to show you the chart so you guys can see how amazing it did, guys. So the EV market is really hot right now. And there's a couple stocks that you guys want to know about. So there's Lucid, obviously Tesla, obviously GGPI, which we're going to read about them right here. It's Polestar IPO valuation, the electric vehicle company GGPI. It's a SPAC merger deal, acquisition deal. And there's also another company called Fisker Automotive. So I want to show you guys Fisker real quick, which is FSR. And FSR is also another electric vehicle stock, guys, in the stock market. And they are also amazing with great news, guys. So they actually have some of the better news as of this last week. So they're looking very good for another jump up, over $22, over $23. So look at these companies, guys: Lucid, Fisker, Tesla, GGPI. So let's go back and let's read about GGPI. What's unique about them is that they have, they're trying to be like completely green, guys. So even when they make the car, they're not trying to have a bunch of like emissions or, battery mining. They really want to make everything about the car green. Like even they want to run it on vegan something. They would it's crazy what they want to do. Let me see if I can find it here. They want to make it like a vegan car, guys. So if you're like extra like health conscious and about the world and the earth and global warming and stuff like this, this is a very unique company, GGPI, and the stock itself, the SPAC merger. You guys definitely should read this article. Take a look. It looks like to be the more green company in all of the EV manufacturing. So GGPI had an amazing day on Friday. Fisker had an amazing day on Thursday with great news, guys. They were just coming out with great news. And the performance on Fisker is great too, guys. Look at the performance here. Look at that, green with a buy rating of over 13 people put a buy rating on Fisker, guys. And then you also have great ratings on Lucid. So guys, it's all about the sector. The energy sector is hot. The when it comes to solar stuff and charging stations and solar stocks, and then you got the EV market, which is the solar, electric vehicle cars, and they're all like showing green. So take a look, guys. What's also unique about Fisker is it's got a great support here at $20, but there's really no resistance found. They don't have a resistance. It hasn't had a big run yet. So that's what's unique about Fisker as well, is that it's got a great support here at $20. But then again, what's going to happen if there's a big run? There's no resistance yet. We don't have a resistance. So the fundamentals are here. The news is amazing, guys. And then the actual sector is super hot right now with the infrastructure bill of the Biden and energy. So put these stocks on your watch list. Put your alerts, okay? So for example, if I was going to load up on Fisker, I would load up anything under like $18. So if it went under 18, I would buy. If Lucid went under 35, I would buy. If if GGPI, for example, GGPI was at, let's see, it was at 11, you know, $11.30 in the morning before it had a big run. So I would say anything under like 11.80, 11.8 would be a buy for GGPI. So you guys get the idea here, is that we have great opportunities. We have great opportunities, but then again, it's all about finding where to buy. So you're not holding the bag. You're loading up at the perfect times. You don't want to load up at the top. You want to load up at the bottom. So eventually you can sell, you know, with the gains. You guys want gains. It's all about the gains. So take a look at these stocks, put them on your watch list, guys, and set your alerts when you are comfortable to buy them. It's a hot sector, great news, great market, great opportunity. We're delivering cars. The infrastructure bill is being passed. You guys, it's here. Let's make money. Let's grow our portfolios. I'm happy to share with you guys more interesting stocks. Thank you guys for your comments, for your subscribers, and all those people that are putting comments and subscribing. I really appreciate you guys. This is going to be exciting. I hope you too are excited about the EV market and excited about the energy market, guys, because we have this. It's basically, as one grows, the other grows. They're both connected. So it's going to be exciting, guys. So take a look at it. The EV sector and also the energy sector, which is like the charging stations. And there's a whole bunch of stocks that I will put up on the screen right here. The stocks that I'm following, like VLTA, BLNK, which is Blink Charging, VLTA, which is Volta Charging. So these are charging station companies that are in the stock market that are looking very good right now. So as those grow, the EV grows. As the energy grows, the EV grows, and our portfolio grows. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.